Welcome to our detailed 3-minute review of the 2025 Kia EV6, Kia's flagship electric crossover that blends futuristic design, cutting-edge tech, and impressive performance. Starting with the exterior, the EV6 showcases a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette, highlighted by a signature digital Tiger face front, flush door handles, and aggressive LED headlamps. The body lines are sharp and fluid, enhancing both style and efficiency. The GT line and GT variants come with sportier bumpers and unique alloy wheels that set them apart. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the floor, sits a state-of-the-art electric global modular platform, EGMP. The EV6 is available in multiple configurations, including rear-wheel drive and dual-motor all-wheel drive. The standard version offers a 58 kWh battery with 170 horsepower, while the long-range model features a 77.4 kWh battery pushing out 229 horsepower for RWD and up to 325 horsepower for AWD. The high-performance GT variant tops the range with 576 horsepower, achieving 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.5 seconds. Inside, the cabin is tech-forward and eco-conscious. You get dual 12.3-inch curved screens, one for the instrument cluster and one for infotainment, paired with Kia's latest connected car technology and OTA updates. The touch-sensitive climate control panel below the screen doubles up for media and VAC. The EV6 also supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, although some trims may still require a cable. The EV6 doesn't compromise on practicality either, offering 490 liters of boot space and additional front trunk storage. The flat floor ensures ample legroom, and premium materials are used across the cabin, including recycled fabrics and vegan leather in Hyatt rims. Charging is a strong suit. Thanks to the 800-volt architecture, the EV6 supports ultra-fast charging from 10 to 80% in just 18 minutes using a 350 kW charger. Home AC charging with an 11 kW charger takes around 7 hours. In terms of safety, the EV6 includes a suite of advanced driver assistance systems like lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, and automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection. Now let's talk price. The 2025 Kia EV6 starts around $46,000 for the base model with the standard range battery. The long-range RWD variant costs about $52,000, while the AWD version goes up to $57,000. The high-performance GT tops out at approximately $62,000. Prices may vary by region and incentives available for EVs. In summary, the 2025 Kia EV6 is a feature-rich, performance-packed EV that delivers range, tech, and style in a competitive package.